Clank World App, ultimate AI roleplay platform. So here you have bring your characters and worlds to life, create AI characters, build scenes, and have conversations no other platform can offer, all from your phone. Chat with unlimited AI characters for free. Create multi-character scenes with up to 4 AI characters talking to each other. Switch personas anytime to roleplay as different characters. Customize AI response styles to match any tone of format. Create and share your own characters and scenes. So here is just what you have. Let's take a look at it. So here is you see the characters. You can chat with them. So for example, if you just go, you can start a chat, and then here is what you see, and then you see memory chat styles. You can add it, you can see chat, you can copy, you can like it, you can regenerate it, and then you can see the personas. And then you can create a character. You can see notifications, you can search chats, characters, and then you can see your profile, you can see settings, change settings on the web, content you see, you can filter some keywords, you can delete your account. So yeah, quite a great app, kind of alternative to Chai, for example. So yeah, check this out. And that's what you have.